Introduction to Attention Management. Introduction to the course. Welcome to the Attention Management course. A distracted workforce is less than effective. Employees who do not pay attention to their work can waste valuable time and make careless mistakes. Attention management is a useful skill that allows managers to connect with their employees on an emotional level and motivate them to focus on their work and how to reach their personal and company goals. Course objectives. Research has consistently demonstrated that when clear goals are associated with learning, it occurs more easily and rapidly. With that in mind, let's review our goals for today. At the end of this course, learners should be able to define and understand attention management, identify different types of attention, create strategies for goals and SMART goals, be familiar with methods that focus attention, put an end to procrastination, learn how to prioritize time. Introduction to Attention Management. Every company and every manager wants to increase productivity. Constant access to information and the expectations to do more with less is overwhelming the workforce. People are easily distracted at work. Attention management allows managers and employees to increase their productivity as well as their personal job satisfaction. What is attention management? Attention management increases the ability to focus attention and can be done at the individual and organizational level. Managers are encouraged to deal with their own attention problems before trying to influence employees in their organization. In order to understand attention management, people must be aware of where they focus most of their attention. Most experts divide attention into 4 different areas or zones. While the names change, the ideas are all the same.